Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone, plug it in and charge to at least 50%, preferably 80% for safety. Once charged, make a full backup, photos, contacts, and app data to cloud and local storage so you can restore if needed. Next, free up at least 6 GB of internal space. Make sure automatic backups are current. If you plan a manual install, enable developer options and USB debugging now, because you may need fast boot or ADB access during the process. You check settings, system, software update first. If the Android 14 OTA appears, tap download and install, then wait. Do not interrupt. If no OTA, download the exact Hot 30 Android 14 ROM for your model and verify the checksum so you avoid mismatched firmware. Once verified, connect via ADB/fastboot or copy the package into stock recovery. Follow install prompts closely, read progress messages, and check logs if something pauses. Because you finish by rebooting the device into the updated system and completing initial setup. Sign into your Google account, enable restores, and confirm settings shows Android 14. Make sure Wi-Fi, mobile data, camera, and sensors work. Test them quickly. If the phone fails to boot, enter recovery and wipe cache first. If that fails, reflash the ROM you verified earlier. Keep your backup handy so you can restore data. Remember, a verified ROM and patience are the keys to recovery if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.